Hi, I'm Eric from Park Tool. Welcome to New in Blue, Episode 7. Today we're going to talk about 6 new tools, our community grant program. We're going to tell you about a new video series we just came out with, and we're going to talk with Truman. So say hello to Truman.
Hey, I'm Truman with Park Tool.
First of all, we're going to talk about some new tools. So this is the QTH1, and it's a quick T-handle. Basically, it comes with this bit set, and you pull them out like that. This is the mount that will mount to any repair stand, any steel repair stand, a tool wall or bench or anything. And then when you're done with the bit, you put it back in there, release the handle, and it stays. It's like magic, magnetic magic.
It's amazingness.
The next thing we're going to talk about is the HBH3, which is a handlebar holder. We already make kind of a wire form handlebar holder. This one's adjustable. It's aluminum, and it's got some sweet little clips on the end, so you can put it on a seat post, on the handlebar on the other end. You can start it off on a repair stand as well and go up to the handlebar. And then Truman's going to take the next 2 tools.
So we've got 2 really exciting tools over here. One is this little guy. This is the 2197. It is diamond abrasive bit for our DT 5.2 disc brake facing kit. So this will go actually on the end of the current blade, so you don't actually have to make any adaptation for it. And this will go right on to, post mount or flat mount tabs. Super handy, very, very long lasting. Next, very exciting tool, DAG 3. So DAG 3, this is a 3D forged aluminum body tool. It slides nice and smoothly. And the really exciting part is the flipping indicator. It flips easily, flips away from the tire, so that if you have big bulbous tires, it'll flip past it. And then it'll go around your seat stays and chain stays. If you have racks or fender mounts, it'll go right around those. Also, it has customizable end caps on the handle. So you can take these off and put on your favorite valve caps. So this is the same thread pitch as a Schrader valve cap. So that's pretty fun.
The other 2 new products are toolkits. And we make 6 different toolkits. These are the big boys. The MK Master Kit and the BMK Base Master Kit. And now we've changed our numbering system, so it's the MK14 and the BMK14, and the 14 stands for this is the 14th version of those toolkits. These are gigantic toolkits made really for a bike shop if you're opening up. Obviously you can take these and put them in your home shop, but they're really made for the professional mechanic. Truman, what are the differences between the MK and the BMK?
The main difference between the BMK and the MK is the MK comes with the cutting tools, the tools for reaming and facing a bare frame. So if you need to chase the threads on a bottom bracket, you need to face a head tube, you need to face the disc brake mounts. The MK comes with all of those tools, and those tools add quite a lot of value. So there's a pretty decent difference between the 2 kits.
And these are not cheap kits. They're professional level tools, and there's a lot of them. The next thing is we've released 5 new videos this week. And these are about wheel truing. Truman, tell us about these videos.
So we came out with some wheel truing videos. These have been something that people have wanted for a very long time. Maybe you asked us in our comment section. Well, we listened and we made a fantastic series of wheel truing videos. We have how a wheel works, we have lateral truing, we have radial truing, we have wheel tension, and we also have wheel centering and dish. So pretty much all aspects of wheel truing are going to be covered in this series. So if you're curious about how a wheel works, what are the components that go into it, and then also how to repair issues in that wheel or to be able to tell what the issue is, check out all those videos. Fantastic content, and we'll see you over there.
So every year, for the past few years, we've had a community tool grant program. And this is a program where we give repair stands and tools to community organizations, nonprofits that use the bicycle as their form of giving back to the community. This year we named 10 winners, and you can find those winners on our website. We also name a President's Choice Award winner, and since I'm the president, I named that winner. And that winner is Bike AAA from Arnold, Maryland. And we just like the way they were giving back to their community with kids, with fixing up old bikes and getting them back into circulation and teaching kids how to fix those bikes while they were at it. So check that out on our website and you can find all 10 of those winners. If you want to apply for our community grant program, that takes place in November. As many of you know, the bike industry is crazy right now. Supply is not meeting demand. More new bikes have been sold and ordered than ever before, and the repair departments are backed up. People are buying tools and learning how to fix their bikes at home, and we're doing our best to supply those tools. This has affected Park Tool as well, because that demand has far exceeded what we can regularly supply. So we appreciate your patience. We're making more tools than ever. But what I want to do is take you on a walk through our shop just to show you what we're doing to try to get more tools out of this building and into your hands. So as promised, here we are in the shop in our factory right here in St. Paul, Minnesota. And what we do here is a lot of assembly, calibration, some packaging, but we're making tools here every day and we're making more than ever. This is our machining area. We've got lathes, CNC mills, presses, laser machines. We keep adding machines and keep making more tools. This is our welding department, complete with robots, hand welding, spot welding. This is where we make all of the repair stands and truing stands and things like that, more than ever. This is the packaging department, where we do small assembly, packaging on blister cards, in boxes, in tubes. We're adding machinery, we're adding people, just so we can make more tools. So this is our new expansion. We just added on, we moved in November, 20,000 more square feet, so we can store more stuff. These are orders ready to be shipped, and as you can see, we've got lots of storage. This is the shipping department. We're adding more people, we're adding more shipping stations. This is the final step before the product leaves here to go to 75 countries all over the world. So there you have it, a quick spin around our factory. As you can see, we're busy, we're making more tools than ever. We've even got the office people taking a shift out in production to make more tools. So let's send it back upstairs. And we're back. We want to see your projects. We want to see your bikes, your tools, your repairs, your restorations, your home workshop. Tag us at Park Tool Blue on Instagram. You can go there and see other people's shops, professional and home workshops. It's really fun to poke around and see what other people have done in their garage, in their basement, and like I say, in professional workshops all over the world. So that's it for episode 7 of New in Blue. Say goodbye, Truman.
Goodbye, Truman.
We will see you here in a few months for episode 8. Thank you.